guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be making some slime, but I'm also going to experiment with some ingredients I have. BTW, Morgan is filming this. Okay, so first we're going to start off with glue like every normal slime. I'm just going to fill up the whole bottom of the container. Whoa. Okay, that's good. And now I'm just gonna add some of this Dove body wash. So let me, oh gosh, I got it everywhere. This is my first time using it. So, yeah. Got some on me. Okay, so now I'm just gonna mix that. Looks pretty good so far. And now I'm going to add some lotion, if there's even any left in here. Okay, nothing's coming out. Oh, it's coming. There you go. Now, like every slime I make, I'm going to add some shampoo. Oh gosh, that was a lot. That was a lot. Now I'm gonna mix it. It's gonna be super stretchy and soft with all of the lotion and the shampoo. Look at this. I'm just gonna go and see what other things I can add. So Morgan, who's directing this, had an idea to put a piece of a crayon in, and I'm just gonna put some peach Elmer's glue to give it some glitter color. It's not glitter glue, it's just a solid color. There, and then I'm gonna add the crayon to it. It's the crayon is like bluish greenish, so like aqua maybe. So I don't know what peach in this color is gonna make. I can't find the crayon. So I'm gonna add half of a piece of paper, so like about this much. Just do little pieces at a time. Here it is, the slime. It's gonna be very, very weird probably with the paper. Okay, I added some more paper, and now I have these chapsticks in a water bottle. So I'm just gonna take one out and put it into the slime. Now I'm gonna just smell all of the ones and see which one smells the worst, and then I'll put it in there. Okay, so I decided on this one. It's from the movie, I forgot. Okay, it's from the movie Inside Out, and this is a Fear chapstick, and it is ice cream shake, and I didn't really like the smell, so I'm gonna put this in here. Now I'm gonna add a little more. Okay, that should be good. Okay, now we're gonna add some Tide. There it is. Whoa, that was a lot. Yep. I'll be back when I'm done activating it. So I told you guys I'll be back when I'm done activating it, but I was trying to break the crayon piece, but instead my popsicle stick broke. Yeah, how does it already have hair in it? Okay, so that's where I'm going to end it today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Bye!